After this tutorial today, you are not going to be looking for where to download calendar. You'll be generating it and customizing it by yourself. Now, let me show you how to generate calendar in CorelDRAW. Go to the menu bar and look for tools. Go to macros and look for run macros. Now go straight to the macros in bar and select Calendar Wizard and then hit the run button. Click on the expand and choose the year you want. Skip all these places. Later you understand when you start playing around with it. Then go to layout. Layout is where you are going to choose full year. Select the year style you want, the year layout you want. Here we have so many designs, so pick out the one you want. For me, this is the one I normally choose. Sorry, not this. 4x3. This is the one I normally choose. Now when you choose this, you'll see, depending the layout you choose, some of them the font will be very small, just like the one here is very small. So what I'm going to do now is to edit the content of the month. I'll click on the small header below the layout. I'll click on small header. Now under small header, it's going to bring out 1 month for me, which means anything I'm doing will be previewed here, and at the end of the day it's going to be the same on other pages, on other months. Now under the small header we have the title. The title means anything I'm going to change will affect this place. We have January. The header is talking about the days, the Monday, Tuesday. Then this header highlight is talking about S, that is Sunday, this red one. Now if you have so many fonts in your system, when you click on fonts, it will waste time before it will open. To avoid that, or I will still open it. I have so many fonts installed in my system, so it's going to take a little bit time. Okay, here it comes. Now it is left for you to choose the font you want. Pick up the font you want. Choose whether, as in all these things. I don't have to show you. Okay, the font size here is very small, so I'm going to increase. I like using 28 so that it will be very large. And yeah, choose the font you want. The color of the text, this text here with this color. Click on the color box and choose the color. I'll be selecting anything so that you'll be seeing it at once. Now the back color, that is the background color. If you click on this box, pick up the color you want and click OK. Of course, these two colors are not good, so you choose the color you want. For me, I like leaving it black and white. I'm just doing this to show you that you can change the color background. Now the rectangle, the border, this above right there, this line you are seeing here, this is very simple. All you have to do is just to play around. So anything you click show here, it will show you. Just anything you do within this place is going to show. And if you like it, you click OK. Okay, if you come down here, as you click position, you choose whether it's going to be short form or not. You choose the size by clicking here. And remember what I told you, that when you click on the font, it's going to take a little time depending how many fonts you have. Don't mind all these things I'm choosing. As you click, you choose and increase the font size. So after every you can now click on small body. Small body is talking about the numbers. You can switch it to vertical, you can switch it to horizontal. Then you now stay adjust. Choose the font you want. Don't mind all these things I'm choosing. I'm just clicking the randomly. Choose to change. After changing everything, you can remove the borders by clicking on these bars here. Just play around with this. As you are doing them, you'll be seeing it on the preview button. And if there is anyone, like if you want to change anything here, again you go back to small header. So small header is talking about the alphabet, the letters, the text, while the small body is talking about the digits, the numbers. So after playing around with this, you now click on generate. It's generating. It is done generating. You click OK. You now close the Oberon. This is the calendar. Now do you see why you should play around? When I was doing this, I increased the font size, but due to I want to save our time, I didn't increase the font size. So this is the reason I have to increase the font sizes, because maybe at the end of the day you will still have to select this and reduce. Now all these things you are seeing now, they are on their own, grouped together as one. Let me show you what I mean. Let me put a background color behind. Do you see it has white color behind it? So any of them you want to edit, what you have to do is to right click on each one and ungroup. If you ungroup, you can now delete if you don't want the white background, or if you want to undo. If you want to use your shape tool, you can apply color. Anything you want to do to the background now, you can do to it. Even the text and the numbers, anything you want to play with inside here, you can play with. After, don't forget to group it so that when you move, they will move together. Then if you don't want to ungroup, normally I don't advise my students to ungroup, because when you ungroup you may forget to group it back. So what you have to do is, as these things are grouped together, the February for example, if you want to select anything here, just hold down the Ctrl key and click on that particular thing you want. Only that one will be selected. So you don't need to ungroup. Hold down the Ctrl key and click on the particular thing you want, and now apply whatever thing you want to apply to that place. Hold down Ctrl, click and choose apply what you want. You can increase the size, you can apply anything you want to apply. But if the thing is going to be general from January to December, no need of doing it one after the other. All you have to do, you can delete the one you have generated, go back, generate again, and while generating the second one now, you have to be very careful to increase the sizes and everything you need to increase. I think here comes the end of this class. Remember to subscribe if you are new in this class, and like and share. Dan Graphics got you covered in terms of graphics, and here we don't click buttons and go. We show you what we do. See you in the next video.